GoHighLevel has officially launched the Certified Admin Version 2 course, and I'm thrilled to share that I have successfully cleared it. The course led by Grace AI comes with the latest high-level UI, new features, and even updates from the LevelUp Summit 2025. Compared to the old 2023 version, this one feels much more aligned with today's high-level environment, smoother navigation, updated tools, and more real-world use cases. However, AI hasn't been added yet. I think High Level will soon launch a separate certification specifically for AI, which will be very exciting. For those preparing for Part A, here's a time saver. Every lecture includes a short description from Grace AI, the instructor. Read it carefully. It helps you decide whether you need to watch the lecture in full or if you already have a strong grip on that topic. That approach saves a lot of time, and overall, believe me, Part A isn't too difficult. It's more about practical understanding than memorization. And now for the live Proctor exam. Here's what you need to be confident with. Snapshot import, practice setting up sub-accounts, user profile setup, integrate key emails and meeting locations, onboarding checklist, update forms, calendars and funnels, and activate chat widget, pipelines and stages, create and organize them correctly, workflows, build sequences for lead nurturing, appointment handling, and post-meeting actions, calendars, set business hours, buffers, intervals, and auto-assign lead, navigation, know where every key feature is, no hesitation during the exam. Practical experience is everything here. The proctor wants to see you perform with confidence, no hesitation over there. If you're planning to take the Certified Admin B2, start practicing these setups inside your account. I'll soon share my full live proctor experience and a detailed prep checklist. And if you need a Sandbox account to practice before the exam, let me know in the comments. I'll guide you on how to get one. At Xort Logix, we stay certified, updated, and ahead, so our clients always get the systems built with precision and expertise.